Welcome back, guys. This tutorial is about the decoration of text field. Before this, make sure to watch the tutorial on text field. Within decoration, we can add some text, icon, and more. First, let me give some border to the text field. Within the border, let me use an outline border. Okay, here you can see an box around the text field. Now, let me change the text alignment to the default one. Done. Next, let me name the text field, for the user to identify the purpose of this text field. For this, use label text, and name it. Done. Here you can see the label text. Next, we also have something called prefix text. The prefix text will appear within the text field, like a placeholder. Done. Next, let's see about having an icon within the text field. Same like text, we can have icons as two methods, normal icon and prefix icon. The icon will appear outside the text field and the prefix icon will appear within the text field. Done. This is the difference between the icon and the prefix icon. Instead of both, let me have one. Next, we have something called hint text and helper text. Let me show the difference between them. Let me have the hint text as, enter your name in caps. Now, within the text field, you can see the hint text. What to do if you need the same below the text field, just replace the hint text with the helper text. Done. This is the helper text. If you feel that the size of this helper text is too small, you can increase the text size of both. Below the text field, using helper style. Done, and here you can see the text size is increased now. Next, we have focused border property, which is same as the border. Using this, we can change the border property when focused. Here let me give a red color, so when the text field is clicked the border color changes to red. Enclose the color with the border side property. Let me hot reload this. Here, you can see the red color border. Let me comment the AutoFocus property. Now, the text field is not focused. When the text field is clicked, its color changes to red. Next, we have fill property, which gives color to the text field. For this, make sure that the filled property is enabled. So here you can see the change once the filled is enabled. Okay, here you can see the change. We can also change the color, use the fill color property. Let me give a light gray color. Let me hot reload this. So, here you can see that this section is highlighted from the background. So the final part of this tutorial, when a name is entered and submitted, it should welcome or reply with a message. Let's see how to do it. First, let me wrap the text field with a column to have a welcome text below the text field. Next, we need to get the text entered. Before this, let me increase the maximum length of the text. To get the text entered within the text field, we need a controller. Let me have this as final, and this is a text editing controller. Moreover, we need a string to save the text. Within the column, below the text field, we need to display the welcome message, so let me have a text here. Done, we got the text. Next let me do some changes in its style property. Use _controller.text to get the text entered in the text field. For this, we need to declare the controller within the text field. To be more perfect, let me use onEditing complete. Similar to onTap, this section works when the Done button is pressed. We need to display hello and the name. For this, within the setState function, let me have the string as hello and the text, so when the Done button is pressed this text displays. Next, let me replace this with the string str. Let me save this now. Let me enter the channel name and see the output. Done, here we got it. So, that's all about the text field. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more Flutter videos. Comment whether you liked this video or not, and tips to improve.